In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Remitly to another bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Remitly app to transfer money between your account and another recipient's bank, or you can even transfer to an account of your own outside of Remitly. First of all, make sure that you sign into an account. So if you have never used Remitly before, you will have to set up a profile, but assuming that you have the money ready to go on Remitly, just log in using your credentials. You can also do this process through the website, but as I've said before, I'm going to be demonstrating it through the app. Inside of the app, you will see the send button available here. So tap the send button at the bottom of your screen. Now you can input the amount of money that you will be sending. You can choose the currency here, and you can see which currency the recipient will receive. Make sure that you change accordingly and double check the exchange rate. This might change periodically, and you can tap this little information icon if you would like to see the conversion rate and more information regarding this exchange. But as long as you set up the amount of money that you will be sending and you confirm that they will be receiving it in their local currency, you can proceed. Now, choose the delivery method. You have four main options: bank deposit, which I believe is going to be the most useful for the people watching this video, but you also have cash pickup, mobile money, and home delivery. So choose the first one if you want to deposit it within a bank account. Now, you can input all of the details about the recipient: first name, last name, and then the bank details. Depending on the region that they state in, you will have to input more or less information about the bank, but once all of this is done, you can continue and they are going to be saved as a recipient. You will get the opportunity to double check everything, so the amount of money that you will be sending, the reference number, the expected delivery date, and how you will be issuing this payment, alongside how they will be receiving it. And as long as you choose the option to send, you can keep track of this transfer on the mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Remitly to another bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.